Today is the 15th of May 2023. We have Yläkiventie. The Västensvägen 12 stake is A here in Myllypuro, Helsinki, in Finland. All inside is on the right.
Yeah.
It was built in 1964. The symbolization 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 with plenty of buttons outside, but bad buttons inside.
Yeah.
It's not very good checks, but this must have been modernized sometime, yeah, probably in 1998, maybe.
Yeah.
Will be inspected in next year, 2024. Capacity is 4 grams and 20 grams. And there are 9 floors here.
Yeah. Inspected by Yläkiventie and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Yeah, the symbolization 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. I think there are 3 staircases here.
Yeah.
But only one right here due to the buttons inside.
Yeah.
And bad choice of buttons.
Yeah.
But I've seen a few where they have the Kone one inside to have these buttons.
Mm.
Seen it in all shoppings.
That's